All right, guys. Chargers. Yeah, we've done a lot of chargers on the channel before, and we're going to do 2 more. And these ones are from Kovol. So we have 2 of their existing chargers. This one here, the Charging Mate, which is the first one we'll take a look at. No, this is the second one. We'll come back there. Charging Mate Mini. So this is the smaller version. It is a 61 watt, and really it looks like they're pushing this one towards like those that need like a MacBook replacement charger. Not if you got a 16-inch, because you probably want more power than this, but for those of us that have like a 13-inch MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, something like that, 61 watts, nice, and considerably cheaper than getting the actual Apple one. And then we'll look at the full Charging Mate, which is a 65 watt, I believe USB-A and USB-C charger, so it has a bunch of different ports, so you can charge a bunch of things. A little bit more expensive, but maybe it's a better option if you have the money. So we're going to take a look at their Amazon ads, going to take a look at their chargers, and see what we think. Okay, so number 1, we'll move this one off to the side. This is the Charging Mate Mini. Charging Mate Mini. So it looks, if you look at their website, USB-C charger, 61 watt MacBook Pro charger, wall charger, for MacBook Pro and Air, 12, 13, and 15 inch. Now it doesn't say the 16, so I'm not 100% sure. And again, you want to make sure that your charger or your laptop, your MacBook, can charge via USB-C. So if you have an older MacBook Pro, for instance, that uses MagSafe, then this isn't going to really help you, right? So it has to be current. They actually say here, it looks like 2016, right? So it gives you all the specs here on there. But the price-wise, like right now, $24. That's way cheaper. I think like the Apple one, I don't know, $70, $80, something like that. That's crazy. 17 ratings, 5 stars. You know, that seems good. You can't go too wrong with that. 50% smaller, right? And 100 watt PD cable included. So realize that this cable, if you ever need more power for whatever reason, can actually do 100 watts. So that's actually really good. So this is the box here. Shows some information on the side. Goodness down there, and crack it open somehow. This is a weird box. This way maybe. Oh yeah, I see what's going on here. Now, I don't expect much in this box. It's a charger, right? Quick guide. That's the smallest quick guide I've ever seen. Okay. And charger. The box is primarily charging cable. Primarily what it is. And there's your thank you. You're welcome. But that's a good handy cable for sure, right? USB-C, USB-C. You guys can see it right there, which is nice. Good long cable. I don't know what they say for length. My guess is that's going to be, does it say? My guess would be like 4 to 6 feet. I would think. Oh, 6.6 foot. That's nice. 6.6 foot cable. That's excellent. And yeah, this one's considerably smaller than like the Apple one. And with this new, like, I don't know what they call it, GAN charging. We've started to see the chargers become a lot smaller. So this can't really get much thinner because it has to have the prongs, right? So there's your prongs right there. Kovol, USB-C, PD, which is nice. Power delivery, which is good. And you know what? This would just kind of plug in somewhere. So let's just bring back my laptop over here. Or bring my laptop here just so we can see it. And plug this in. Does it have any lights or anything like that when it plugs in? Oh, it does. So it has a little blue light that shows up on the top. You guys probably may not be able to see that there. That's going there. That's going here. Charged. Yep. We're good. Battery. Yep. Says we're all good. So it works. And just for fun's sake, because it always talks about MacBooks. And now this is something that you want to check, right? Just make sure that, of course, your laptop, this is a Lenovo laptop, just make sure that it doesn't require something higher, so it doesn't require like an 85 watt or 100 watt charger, because then, of course, this isn't going to be enough. So let's just start this up, and let's see. Click. Charging. Yeah, so my little, I think this is a 14-inch. Yeah, charging. So that works well. So way better. It's definitely one of the smaller chargers that I've used, physical size, for a 60 watt. So that's kind of nice. Definitely nice for traveling, and just nice in general, because if you have to put it like a bunch of them on like a power adapter, you can probably fit more. It won't be in the way of other chargers. So, all right, I like that. I'm down. Nice long cable. And honestly, like if you're looking at a big long USB-C cable like this, you may spend, honestly, for a decent one, you may spend like $15 anyway. That's a non-Apple one. If you're buying an Apple one, you might as well get this, because you get a free charger, because their cable costs as much as this whole deal. Yeah, good, right? All right, and then we got the charging Mate. So that was the Mini. This is the Mate, and this opens somehow at the top here. Okay. Well, this one's got an actual, because this one has got bigger, and it doesn't come with a USB-C cable. It comes with the charger, and then you would supply your own cable, because this is powering all this stuff, right? So you could plug in your laptop, you could plug in your GoPro, you could plug in your iPhone, your Android phone, whatever it is. And because I don't have a USB-C cable around, I'm using this one. So buy both. You get this is a one-stop shop. You get both. Decent size. You guys can see it in regards to my hand, right? Kovol. And this is, I believe it's, do I have it here? Let's just see. I want to say, yeah, this is a 65 watt. The other one was 61. So you get 4 more watts. Yeah. Fast desktop wall charger, USB-C charging station with 2 USB-C and 2 USB ports. And same thing, charges, it looks like the exact same. It says iPhone 12, 13, iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, Air, etc., etc. Down here, again, you're looking for anything that can charge via USB-C or USB-A. So handy. So if we take this, I like that this is, again, long cable. Does it say how long this cable is? No, but I'm gonna guess it's similar in length. So maybe not as long as the USB-C cable. What is happening here? But we're probably close to 6 feet. We're probably close to 6 feet. All right, so we do get a little plug-in on the back. Same deal, we're plugging this in here. Any lights or anything? So it's hard. I think it's hard for you to see, but they do glow a little green. It's hard to see it. There's a little light up top there. Okay, let's just make sure. So we're plugging this in here. PD. Yep. I like PD stuff because it sends power out, right? Power delivery, not just something that needs to suck the power. But click charging. Yep, we're good. Power source, all excellent. Yeah, no, that's good. That works. And then you got your USB-A. So, if you are looking, you only need one thing. You need a replacement charger for your MacBook or your Windows computer. It doesn't really matter, right? For $23, this guy, like, that's fantastic. But if you need to go a little further and you need something, like, especially if you're traveling, it's small, right? That's what's nice about this. It's small. So you get this, you can charge 4 things. 65 watts is, for most of us, plenty to charge. I could plug in like a battery charger for my cameras. I could charge in like my GoPro or my Insta360 charger to charge. I could have my laptop charging. I could have my iPhone charging. Yeah, I could have my iPad charging. No, that's handy, right? And again, small. Just you get this cable. So that's okay, but it doesn't come with any of the cables for your devices. Just kind of be aware of that. This cable here, your USB-C or USB-A cable, you have to supply that, which makes sense because, you know what, what is this? 40-something dollars, I think it is. 49 bucks. And I thought it was Canadian prices. I'm wrong. These are US prices. US prices. 49 bucks. You wouldn't expect that they would throw in a bunch of cables. That doesn't make sense, right? So get this cable. With this as well, get both. Just get both. Get both, and you'll have everything covered. For the price, honestly, for the price of like an Apple charger, you could have all this goodness, pretty much, pretty close. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you there. If you're interested in either one of these two, the Mate and the Mate Mini, I believe it's called, links down there. Yeah. All right, my friends, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. We'll see if these guys, Kovol, have an actual Amazon Canada store. I thought this was on Amazon Canada, but it's Amazon US. So I'll look. Links down below if I can find them for any of the Amazons. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.